What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing and first impressions of the ZTE Blade Max 2S. Now before I start this video, I want to give a huge shout out to the Z community. Now the Z community is basically a place where there are forums to help you on your ZTE device. I will be there as well as some other key influencers. So if you guys want to go ahead and go over there, it will be the first link in the description down below. Definitely don't be a stranger, say hi and make an account. But let's go ahead and start this video. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so if you guys didn't see my unboxing of the ZTE Blade Max View, you guys definitely need to check out this device. I did upload it earlier, so definitely check out the unboxing if you guys haven't done so already. But yeah guys, we have another device right here. This is the ZTE Blade Max 2S. A little bit of information on this real quick. This is one of the only unlocked phones that works on Sprint out of the box, so this is a Sprint certified device. GSM and CDMA certified for Sprint, so very awesome stuff here. Obviously, this is going to work on Metro by T-Mobile and a bunch of other carriers, so just know that as well. Let's go ahead and go to the back of the device and take a look at the specs. Alright guys, so first and foremost, as far as the specifications, we have a 6-inch touchscreen display. So this is going to be a full HD resolution, so that is going to be 1080p. Again, we have a 4000 milliamp battery in here, talk time up to 29.8 hours, 13 megapixel main, 5 megapixel front, 32 gigabytes of internal storage, 2 gigabytes of RAM. We have Android Oreo in here, and as we said before, 4G LTE, 2 carrier aggregation, 1.4 gigahertz octa-core processor, micro SD card up to 2 terabytes, and a fingerprint sensor. Also, another thing to take into consideration is that this is going to be stock plus, so it's going to be running very nice, so no bloatware for you guys on there. All right, let's go ahead and unbox this. All right guys, let's go and open this device up. So let's go right here and take everything out. So first and foremost, we have the phone. We're going to go ahead and put this to the side. Next thing we have right here is the wall charger. We have the USB Type-C data cable, and we have our SIM tray ejector tool. Okay guys, so this device looks like more of a plastic build. So on the sides it looks like we do have plastic, back we have plastic as well, but we do also have this nice little color on the back. It's kind of like a gradient color. It goes from pretty much silver to gray to even darker gray, so very nice colorway. Obviously on the back we have the ZTE insignia right here. Just above that we have the fingerprint sensor, and we also have our camera and flash right below that. Going to the front of the screen, let's go ahead and take this off. Taking a look at the front of the device, we have our headset as well as our front-facing camera right there. Bottom of the device, it looks like we have USB Type-C. We have our speaker right here. Left side of the device, again, we have our SIM tray. Right side of the device, it looks like we have a textured power button, which I absolutely love. And just above that, we have our non-spaced volume button. Also, top of the device, remember, we have a 3.5mm head jack, so seeing that in 2018 is definitely a blessing. We also have our noise-canceling mic. So let's go ahead and turn on this device really quick. And yeah, so this looks pretty much similar to the Blade Max View in my opinion. Probably exactly the same, maybe a little bit smaller as far as the screen goes, and this is a little bit lesser of a build, so it doesn't have that aluminum structure and rubber back. So this leads me to believe this is going to be the cheaper device. So let's go ahead and set this up really quick. Alright guys, so first impressions out of the box. Screen looks very nice on this device, so looks like the same display that we have on the Blade Max View in my opinion, so still a very nice device. Obviously 2 gigabytes of RAM, but this is stock plus, so we don't have any bloatware on this device, so that is always nice. Let's go ahead and go to the settings. Let's confirm that we do have Oreo 8.0 on here, so let's go to the system, and yes, we have Android 8.1 on this device, so that is always nice that we have Oreo on this device, so pretty cool. But yeah, screen looks very nice. I want to take a look at the camera really quick. Okay guys, so we have the box right there. We're going to take a quick photo and see how this looks. So very fast shutter speed, as you guys saw right there. And let's see what type of detail we get on here. So yeah, it looks really nice, honestly. Looks really good. Very clear picture right there. Let's go through the other modes that we have on here. So we obviously have video. Looks like up to 1080p right there, so 1080p quality. We also have manual, panorama, and if we go inside of here, we can make a collage, a time lapse, or a mono picture, so that's pretty dope right there. But obviously we're going to go into full detail in the full review on this device, so that's really nice. Next thing I wanted to take a look at is the video quality and the speaker quality as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Let's go on the YouTube application. So we have a 4K video, and this is in 1080p 60 frames per second. Screen looks really nice on this, so looks like we may have the same display. Speakers do sound a little bit more mute than the Max View, but this is because this only has one speaker at the bottom, so it doesn't have stereo speakers, but this one speaker still packs a very big punch. So what do you guys think so far? I think this has a really nice screen, decent speaker. We have Stock Plus on this device. Obviously this is Sprint certified, which is really nice to have. A decent camera so far. Obviously we're going to do the full review on this device, but so far, taking into consideration that this is a budget phone, this is a very nice phone so far. So if you guys want to keep updated on the price and everything else on this device, definitely follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and subscribe to me on the TechRight channel, as well as turning on notifications if you guys want to be notified for every upload. Tell me in the comments down below what you guys think. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.